Hello, now I'm going to explain you how to use a Google spreadsheet to draw a histogram. So here we have the same values that we used in the video before. The first thing, again, what we're going to do is to draw the frequency table. The frequency table, remember, that must have the classes. But in this case, we're going to write just the upper boundary of each of the classes. In the last video, we did the boundaries, the classes from 0 to 10, from 10 to 20, from 20 to 30, and so on until 60 to 70, but the upper boundary was not taken into account into the class because it was less strict, right? So here, where we're going to write, it's not the 10 or the 20, but the number before, okay? We can do this here because we have discrete variables, so we can work like that, okay? So here we're going to write 9, yes, 19, 29, 39, 49, 59, and 69. And we're going to use a formula here. We're going to write equals, and we're going to write frequency, and with this formula this is going to count the frequency for each of these boundaries, the values that are less than these values that we write here, right? It's going to count how many values are less of these numbers, and of course it's going to give us with the last number, it's going to give us the number that is, or how many values are greater than that last number that we're going to have here, okay? So taking that into account, I'm not going to select this number, but this one. Okay, so the first thing that I'm going to select, it's all the values in my data set. Then I'm going to write this, and I'm going to select from 9, until 59 again, because for the last number is going to give me the numbers that are greater than the number. So if I select 69, it's going to give us 0 here because, well, there is no numbers greater than 67 actually. So here we're going to close here and enter, and here are all my numbers here, right? So remember that these are the ages, and here is the frequency, right? So now to draw the histogram, what we have to do is that we're going to select our data set. We're not going to use this. We're going to select the data set, and we're going to click here in the in the symbol for the chart, and they're going to show us instantaneously, like the first option is going to be a histogram because, well, it's a proper graph or a proper chart to present this information, right? So but this histogram doesn't show the information that we have here in our classes, right? So we have to correct this. So to correct this, we're going to go here in customize, and we're going to click here, and we're going to select here in bucket size. We're going to click, and we're going to set that the bucket size is 10, okay? Because we're going from 0 to 10 and so on, right? But still the numbers are not the ones that I wanted or the ones that I needed, right? So here now I'm going to go to the horizontal axis, and I'm going to click here, and I'm going to select that the minimum number is 0 and the maximum number is 70, right? So if I do this, voila, there I have my histogram as I want it, okay? If I wanted to see all the lines here just to make sure that all the values is in the correct place, so I'm going to click here in the last option, and I'm going to click here in the major, and I'm going to select 7. Okay, I'm not going to select 6 because it's not going to show me the last line. I'm going to select 7, so they're going to show me all the lines. And here I'm going to close here, and now my histogram shows all the information that I want as I have it here. And that's it.